Dan Ives joining me now. You cover this company. What are your own expectations?
Look, I think really it's going to be a lower price vehicle. That's key. To get to the masses, to get to that 5, 10, 15 million deliveries, it's a sub 30K car. I think that's important. It's capacity. This is going to be a flex the muscles moment in terms of showing production globally. And I think they're going to announce some, we'll call it Mexico, potentially Indonesia, and some others. And then it's really ultimately just laying the groundwork for the coming years, that they're able to do this from a margin perspective. And I think this is going to be another shining moment for Tesla, I think, as it speaks to this EV arms race that's playing out.
Speaking of margins, I'm glad you used that word because that's going to be top of mind with Salesforce, isn't it? Got the activist pressure. They want some margin targets, maybe moved up. In fact, what are your own expectations today?
I think the Cinderella story is over for Benioff. I mean, now frustration's built. You've seen activists come in droves. It's about margins, given targets to get to that 25, 30%. I think strategic options on the table. Do they eventually spin off or sell Slack or Tableau? And then ultimately laying off, some sort of strategy around a succession plan. I think this is one, investors don't want the cookie cutter conference call. Pressure is growing. It's a golden asset, but I think Benioff understands what he needs to do tonight on the conference call.
Wow, Cinderella story over. Do you think he delivers? I mean, there is the news, too, that our own David Faber had been reporting earlier today about the slate from Elliott.
Well, I think Benioff's going to read the room, and I think he is. And ultimately, everything that he's built at Salesforce, one of the best franchises, not just in software and technology, they have a huge opportunity. Slack, clearly a disaster, rip the Band-Aid off situation. Now it's how do you navigate going forward? Give those tenants margins, give the succession plan, and talk about revenue growth and giving confidence. He does all that. I think this is one that continues to move higher, and that's our opinion. This is a $200 plus stock, once this all takes place.
Mike Santoli, you got an opinion here on what is a highly critical conference call for Mr. Benioff?
Yeah, I mean, I think there's room for them to express urgency on the cost side and whatever other strategic maneuvers. It does seem as if whatever the consortium, loosely speaking, of activists wants to have happen, I mean, it has buy-in at the company. I do think, though, it's happening at a time where there's legitimate questions about the moment in the cycle we're at in terms of cutting deals and demand for their services, right? So it's not just about where, you have this sort of static revenue pool and let's just cut the expenses. The growth rate is definitely something that's under question, too, because it's going to slow down because of the size of the company already. And, can they instill some confidence that it's not just going to be, harvesting the margins and it's going to restart growth at some point?
Dan Ives, I mean, two stocks, both in Salesforce and Tesla, that have, come off the mat, so to speak, with a lot of those higher growth names. What does that mean going into both events?
Look, I think you're starting to see more of a risk on, and I think Tesla, it's clearly been the price cuts, what we've seen with demand so far. But I think Salesforce is important because it speaks what we saw with Microsoft, with Amazon, with Palo Alto. How much are things slowing? Street was factoring much more of a slowdown than's happening here. And I think bellwether, this is just a very important night for disruptive tech between Musk and Benioff.
All right, good stuff, Dan Ives. Thank you.